Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, still sort of trending to the downside. There are buyers coming in. You can see by these tails that are here. So it's looking like a bit of a flag that is forming. We do have a bit of diversions here as well, and I think the big thing to look out for is pretty much weekly levels at the moment. So that is the one. Actually, just fine tune that to there. So that is the one at the moment, and we are just flirting with it right now. So we did close on it last week, but we are flirting with that at the moment. So it could be a flag here setting up on the weekly, could be start of a range. There's lots of things that it could be. But I think for us, the short-term trend is down at the moment, so we should be looking to sell off structure. Looking at the 3 hour, there's nothing really here that is helping the cause at all. Nothing. This megaphone that we were watching last week, is that trend line is still very much in play. Top end of the megaphone is basically falling away, but we do have the bottom area there, and then obviously if you start drawing a trend line along the top there, you'll see the start of a channel. So what do we need to be doing today? Yesterday we were looking to sell off structure, and you can see there's a bit of structure there, and then there was a bit of structure there. So if you drop down to 15 minutes, you'll see pegged it there with the engulfing bar. Your entry would be below that, did pop below that, and then came back to basically hit that top level there. Anyway, nice pin bar off there, good bit of structure here in that zone for a break to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. Broke, retested the second level, and then broke to the downside. We do have a bit of a gap to the upside, and then this level here is what I'm looking at the moment. So we are looking at 39.52. Retest of that would get us shorts again. There's another little level just above it, which is at 39.56. So if you come down to the hour, you'll see there is the structure there. We did get buyers coming in there yesterday, so fairly interesting that we dropped below it this morning. So we'd be looking at a rejection there. So you're looking to be short off this area, 39.56, 39.52, and targets to the downside at the moment are a little bit suspect, but I would argue that your target area should be around 39.22, and then you can probably round that off to 3900 as well. Just small position sizes, keep your stop losses tight, because anything can happen at the moment. We are trending to the downside, but as you can see yesterday on the 50-minute, above the moving averages, then below, and we stayed below. So what we're betting on here is that we're going to reject this area. Anyway, hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.